and the target was this, approximately 8 hours. Hello and welcome back to another episode. So I was out on a vacation with my family, so I couldn't share my trades that I took during last week. So now that I'm back home, so I'm sharing a trade that I took on Tuesday 15th of October for approximately 9 hours. This trade was taken during New York Open, and let's break down this trade. First, let's go to higher time frame. This was the trade, and price already took out this high this week. Okay, this was pre-New York session. Now let's go down to 5-minute time frame. So let's delete this first. Okay, so this is the New York Open, and price already took out this high, so it has already taken the liquidity to the upside. I was expecting the price to go low, but I was also expecting the price to take out these high one last time during the New York session. So let's go down to 1-minute time frame. So let's mark out the POI. So this was the POI that broke this high. You can also see it on 5-minute time frame. On 5 minutes time frame, it is more refined. See how it just tapped into this 5-minute POI and then went up to take out these highs. So what you can see, after taking out this high, price started making the lower lows. It just missed this POI and then went up, tapped into this order block. We can call it a smart money trap, but it did play down. So then it came down once again, tapped into this real POI and then went up. Now let's go down to 1-minute time frame. I refined this POI to this. My entry was right at this POI. So what you can see on 1-minute time frame, the accumulation phase. See, the price is fractal on every time frame. It is the same thing over and over again. Accumulation, manipulation, and then distribution. This was a limit order with stop loss of approximately 2.6 pip, and the target was this, approximately 8 hours. So if you missed this entry, you could have entered again. Just what you can see, a double bottom. So price came down once again, took out these lows, and then went up again. The second entry was approximately 4.5 hours. So these were two entries, but I personally did not enter this one. I'm not a fan of second entry because I was already in this buy. I took my partial somewhere around here, around 50% partial. Price came back, did not took me out to break even, because look where my entry is, right here. It did not came all the way back to break even. But you can also see another accumulation phase. See how the price is tapping on this trend line. This is the manipulation phase with speed, and then price goes up. So this was the trade that I took. This was the second entry which I did not take. This was the trade that I took. It was approximately 8-hour trade, and I hope you guys learned something from today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one.